Every time we go to a city, let's always make sure to somehow learn the history, the culture, kasi doon natin mas ma-appreciate yung pinupuntan talaga natin. Hindi lang puro aesthetic, diba? I think mas ma-immerse talaga tayo if we know about the city more. Ito oh, my gosh, this is so surreal. Ayu was here. Grabe. This was the government like office during the Japanese occupation period here in Korea. Hindi nila sinira, kundi ginawa nilang museum. Grabe yung food, guys. This is the Mokpo style. This is the Mokpo hospitality. Wild. That is raw.
It's good!
Pero of course, in 2019, yung K-drama talaga may impact sa akin yung Hotel de Luna. Guys, oh my goodness. Anyong haseyo. Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Mokpo, Korea. Ganito ako magsalita kasi nakaka-excite yung pupuntahan natin at nakita ko na, ayan sa itaas. For this video, pupuntahan natin yung naging filming location ng Hotel de Luna. It's one of my most favorite K-dramas of all time. Starring Ayu, my number one idol. My number one K-idol kasi napaka-talented niya from acting to dancing to singing. Wala akong concert na pinalagpas sa Pilipinas. So, ito po ay itong trip na to, guys, ay 10-day trip sa 5 tourism hub cities in Korea. So one of the tourism hub cities, itong Mokpo. And nandito yung isa sa mga filming spots ng Hotel de Luna. Ready na kayo? Guys, ayun! Ayun! Wait. Parang di pa siya gaanong kita, no? Oh my goodness, guys. Ito na siya. Ito yung Hotel de Luna. Ito yung totoong Hotel de Luna. Grabe. Napapanood lang natin to sa K-drama, guys. Look. Ayu was here. Yojingo was here. They were here. Surreal.
Like a boundary of the Japanese residential area, Korean residential area. So this part, they have this city is like a block, Lego block.
델루나 뭐 모자나 이런
델루나.
소품들도 안에 있거든요.
So he recommend you to go inside because they put some small item to be like a IU. Deluna movie actress and actors. So feel free to stop by inside, also outside. Can I meet you by the flat area?
Yeah.
By 20 minutes enough? 30 minutes because I want to show the other side. 20 minutes?
20 minutes, okay.
20 minutes, yes. So I will meet you by the flag area. Yes.
And we're not coming back here, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
20 minutes only.
Because I want to show
Okay,
another
okay.
side. It's a quite
Sure.
pretty area.
So guys, this is actually the Mokpo Modern History Museum, and this is the oldest building in Mokpo. Nabasa ko sa website ng Visit Korea. Oldest building in Mokpo and a witness of the modern and contemporary history of Mokpo. So 1800s pa ito itinayo, guys, itong museum na ito. So hindi talaga siya hotel, it's a museum, okay? Ito oh, my gosh, this is so surreal. Ayu was here. Grabe. Pasok tayo mamaya dyan. Gusto ko munang mag-picture dito sa labas.
This is their office building.
Ah.
You can see their story in the inside of the building.
So this is the government building of the
Yes.
Japanese. Yeah, because it looks like Japanese
Yeah.
flag, that one. Okay.
Also, it was built 100 years ago, but
100
the
years ago.
construction is very modern,
Mhm.
not the
Yeah.
traditional Korean way.
They preserve it this way?
I'm sorry.
So even the original, it looks like this?
Yeah.
So
we
yeah,
try
they've
to
preserved
keep it
it.
original instead of demolish the historic part.
Oh yeah.
So many places during the Japanese invasion have the modern building turn into the public
Mm-hmm.
library or museum. Like in the city hall in Seoul,
Yes.
you remember Big Plaza?
Yes,
There's
yes.
a brick building and grass building, right?
Yes,
Grass
yes.
building is belong to city or headquarter building.
Mhm.
Brick building belong to National Library.
Ah, okay. So
Instead
that's
of demolish,
okay.
we try to keep it for next
Ah,
generation.
that's nice. Like Korea really did not demolish the even if it was used by the Japanese. They okay, just like this one. This was the government like office during the Japanese occupation period here in Korea. Hindi nila sinira kundi ginawa nilang museum. Right. Hello. Ah, yeah, it's really a museum, guys. Merong English translation. So this one is really, ayan, a museum featuring the contemporary and modern history of Korea. Yes. So hindi siya hotel, okay? Guys, nakakatuwa. We're here. Nakapasok tayo dito. Ayan, no? Yan yung mga Koreanong lumalaban siguro. Let's join, yan, the independent movement all together. Ayan, during the Japanese occupation period. And this, ano to? Mokpo downtown during the Japanese colonial period. Ah, mayroon silang miniature. Tama ba? Miniature bang tawag dito? How Mokpo looks like nung panahon ng Hapon dito sa Korea. So similar yung Japanese tapos Koreano na so tulad tayo ng mga Koreano na sinakop ng Japanese. As in. Hindi man ito yung mismong Hotel de Luna, ang saya pa rin pumasok kasi yung history ng Mokpo mas pwede nating matutunan dito. Kasi every time we go to a city, let's always make sure to somehow learn the history, the culture, kasi doon natin mas ma-appreciate yung pinupuntahan talaga natin. Hindi lang puro aesthetic, di ba? Hindi lang puro, superficial na we're there. I think mas ma-immerse talaga tayo if we know about the city more. Akyat tayo, guys. Mayroon pang second floor. Pero grabe. Ayo! Ganito pa yung itsura niya. Hindi siya yung super grand na, pinapakita sa K-drama. Kasi I think sa mga K-drama, yung isang, for example, part ng bahay, pwede siyang ibang location talaga. Totoong ibang lokasyon. Tapos yung other part ng bahay, pwedeng ibang lokasyon din. Ay, ito. Ito, napapanood lang natin to sa mga K-drama, guys. Ito, mas visual na image ng Mokpo during that Japanese colonial period. Sarap ng aircon. Ooh. Ito yung mga sasakyan before public transpo. Telephone noon. Kakatuwa. Ito. Napapanood natin to sa mga historical na K-drama, 'di ba? Ito guys, actual yearbook ko ng Mokpo Public Girls High School graduation. And then more. Ano yan? Uy, ano pa ito? Ito, may pa-piano. Piano ba to? Ayun, sewing machine. Amazing. Oh. Mokpo Young Men's Association. Oh, ito yung itsura ng Mokpo Young Men's Association. Gusto kong may pa ganitong visualization talaga na displays. Ito, amang independence movement. The Korea Declaration of Independence. Oh, from the Japanese. Ito, meron pang glasses, wristwatch, pocket watch, mga accessories. Guys, this is a tour inside Hotel de Luna. Ito ano to? Japanese plundering of cotton. Ah, makinarya for cotton. I see. Guys, we're traveling back in time. Yun ang feel ko ngayon. So, we just traveled back in time. Yun yung na-feel ko sa taas. Oh. Ay, nasa labas na sila. Pero wow. This is just a small museum, pero malaman. kung gusto mong matuto sa kasaysayan ng Mokpo, talagang pwede kayong magpunta dito and explore itong museum na ito. Oh my gosh, it's so surreal going there in Hotel de Luna. So ngayon, let's explore guys around the places around the museum. Okay? Basta nakakatuwa lang na nandito tayo ngayon. Ay wait, we have co-creator na tinutokso kasi kamukha daw niya si Ayu. Wait, hindi ako focus, no? Oo. It's V. Yeah, it's nice. Alright. Ang ganda dito sa Mokpo. Ang laid back ng feels. Oh! Wow! Ganda. Very Hanok yung style. You watch Hotel de Luna, right?
No, not
No,
yet.
not yet.
Yeah.
You should watch. Thank you.
Can you see behind? The two tables are table.
Okay. Wow. After natin mag-Hotel de Luna, kain tayo.
My grandmothers come from this side, so when I was there, my
The food of
grandmother
Mokpo.
cook like this way. But to me, nothing to eat. Better to eat. No meat. 여기 하나만 더 세팅해 주세요.
Okay. Tokgalbi.
We are not a chef, right? But we did our own effort.
The food. A lot.
Здесь он выглядит лучше,
Oh, wow.
гораздо, чем мы готовили.
Guys, sagana tayo sa food. Ang daming pagkain. Super. Kamsamnida.
We need to...
Nakaka-overwhelm. Nakakapagod yung araw na to guys. Pero,
This is crazy.
wow, we're blessed with so much food. Oh,
We are
Wow.
We are very rich, right? Eating like
the
this
heat
at
is
home,
going to my
universal.
face. Grabe yung food guys. This is the Mokpo style. This is the Mokpo hospitality. Wild. I love it. Okay, this is
Like
hale
this
fish. Yeah, I watched that
With
on
the
vlogs.
spices.
With the spices.
Also famous in Jeju and the west coast.
Yeah. And we're only eating that in Mokpo. Correct? This one.
Okay.
Okay,
I believe this.
yay.
Whoever wants
Thank
to try the
you.
spicy, but
Yes,
it's a little meat in
yes.
it. But usually we eat
Spicy.
inside there's a, let's see, the pumpkin and
pumpkin.
radish.
Radish.
Other veggies in the bottom there's a radish.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
Yes.
And what else? Let me give it.
Alright. That is raw.
Okay, wait, just a moment. Just
So-
a moment. Let me cut it.
The raw crab.
Where are you?
Ay. You like that? You've eaten that before, the raw seafood.
Try?
I ate that in Seoul.
Seoul. Oh.
Yeah, and so.
Oh. There are raw.
Yeah, thank you so much.
The raw seafood in Seoul.
Thank you.
I like the vibe of this restaurant.
What
It's
is
old
that?
school.
Like red one?
Like
This is, I think
it's like a Hanok. It's a Hanok restaurant. Tapos yung tinutugtog dito yung mga classic na mga yun old western songs.
It's so delicious.
Yan.
Oh, wait.
How much do we pay you?
She's model.
You're
right?
modeling for us. Gusto ko may pagkita tayo.
It's good. You are. It's good. You are a mayor.
Yay! Thank you!
Oh.
Guys, kumuha tayo ng crab. Kasi mahal daw yan. So, kahit di tayo kumakain ng crab,
you can share.
kumuha tayo nito. Okay? So, first time natin guys na kumain ng crab. Tapos, it's raw. And ang lapit ko pa niya sa camera na. It's raw. So, nangangati kasi yung bibig ko kapag kumakain ako ng seafood aside from fish. Pero this time, I think hindi ko siya dapat palagpasin. Pero konti lang naman. Pero masarap. Asin. Sabi pa yung kasama natin, lasang sachet. We had a good dinner. Yes, this is mokpo. So ayun guys, ang ating experience going to the Hotel del Luna filming site. Yung Hotel del Luna mismo talaga sa K-drama. Kaya nakakatuwa na puntahan natin siya, one of my most favorite. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, it's a K-drama of IU. It's about a hotel that accepts yung mga namatay na ghosts, yung Hotel del Luna. Okay, so hindi pa naman tayo pero nakapasok po tayo doon. Napanood nyo ba yun guys? Baka hindi nyo napanood. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, panoorin nyo yun. Lalo na if you like fantasy, romance, rom-com, Hotel del Luna is something na pwede ninyong mapanood. Okay? Ako may all-time favorite talaga, Reply 1988. As in, wala makakatalo doon. Reply 1988. Pero of course, in 2019, yung K-drama talaga may impact sa akin yung Hotel del Luna. Basta ang ganda ng K-drama kasi ang daming lessons na matututunan. Every story, every side story na makikita natin, mapapanood natin, may mapupulot tayong leksyon. Oh, yun yung gusto ko sa mga K-drama, yung may natututunan ako eh. Diba? Hindi lang puro kilig-kilig. Although okay din naman yung mga kilig-kilig, pero sometimes nag-crave din ako ng something na mapagkukunan ko ng aral. Here from Mokpo, this is Dave the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Romantic Mokpo. La 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 la. Romantic Mokpo. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.